Hi, how are you doing? In this video, we will explain how to create a simple calculator using AppLab from code.org. If you add here 5 for the second number, I'm gonna make it 3. Click addition, we're gonna get the total of them, subtract, multiplication, and division. Finally, I will clear the 3 text input by clicking the clear button. Sign in to your code.org account. Remember, the login details were sent on Classera as a Classera message. We already finalized the designing part and we made the code for two buttons, the addition and subtraction. So if you're going to update your classwork, click on projects. You're gonna find a list with your created projects. Here, for example, scroll up. Okay, this is our classwork. If you were absent and you need to start from scratch, you're going to click create app lab project. Okay, and start a clear project. I'm going to do the design, but I'm gonna do the steps quickly as we already had them in the classwork. Our project consisted of only one screen, that's why we will not add more screens. Click on design, okay, and don't forget to rename the project with your name or simple calculator. Make sure to make it to add the word homework in the title. Screen 1, from the properties, I'm gonna change the background to be black. Okay, then I'm going to add a label here. From the text property, I'm gonna make it first number. Okay, I may change its background color to be white. Okay, I'm going to add the second one. You may copy and paste your label or drag and drop another one. Place it here, change the text property to be label 2 property to be second number. I need a result. Okay, this one should be result. Then it's time to change the width of them. If you need them exactly from the same size, select the first one. Make sure to have a width and height of them to be equal. So 150 should be bigger. Okay, so make it 160. I'm gonna make the last one 160 as well. Then we're gonna add the text input. Okay, this time I'm going to change the ID as I need the text input for the coding part. So I need to change the ID as it will be the name we're gonna use in our coding. I'm gonna change it to be input underscore. Remember, no spaces are allowed. Input first. Okay, and we're going to add another one. Change its ID as well to be input underscore second. last one to be result. Okay, then we're gonna add our buttons. 1, 2, 3. Place them as you like. I need one here in the middle. Change their ID to be addition, and I'm going to change their background, and I'm gonna change the one in the middle to be clear, and for the text nothing will be displayed on it. Change its background to gray, and for the image property, select an icon with refresh. It's here. Now I'm done with adding in the 4 buttons. 1, the addition, the ID is addition, the display text is addition, the same as subtraction, ID subtraction, multiplication, and division. Click on code. Okay, we need to have an event, or actually a click event, for each button from the 5 buttons we're having here. So from code, UI control, drag on event. We're going to start with the addition one from here. When we click the addition, we need to set the value. We're going to use the 2 functions, get and set. I need to set the text written here to be the total of the input I will get here in input first and input second. From here, set text. Place it here, and from the drop down menu select addition. Okay, from math we need a plus equation, as we need to add the 2 numbers here and here. Back to the UI controls, select get number. Okay, and get number. From where we're gonna get the numbers, move with your mouse here while the run button is displayed, and you will know the ID of the object. The ID of the first one, input first. Okay, so input first, and here input second. Okay, we're going to repeat the same events for the subtraction, multiplication, and division. Drag on event. For division, for example, we need to set the text of the the text here should be for the result. I'm sorry. That will be displayed on the result. Its name is result. Okay, this one, the ID of the result should be the division of input 1 and input 2. Drag divide equation. Get number from 1 and get number from input 1 or input first and input second. Run. Type here, for example, 15, and for the second 5. If we click division, 3 will be displayed in the result. If we click addition, it will be 20. You may select the on event block from the keyboard, copy and paste. For copying, Control C. For paste, Control V. Just change the name of the button to be subtraction, okay, and we're going to change only the equation by dragging and drop to be minus. Feel free to drag and drop from here. Get number of input first and get number of input second. Okay, I will do the same thing for the last one, which is multiply. Make it multiplication, drag an equation with multiply. Okay, place it here. Again, get number. Get number. Input. Second, reset and run. We're going to try them again. 15 and 5. Addition 20, subtract 10, multiply 75, divide 3. If we need to clear the values displayed on the 3 input text by clicking the clear button in the middle, drag on event. The ID here will be the clear one. What I need to do is to set a clear value for input 1, input 2, input 3. So I'm gonna drag set text and I'm gonna set the text for the first one, make the run one displayed for the input first, okay, to be an empty quotation without the text. Okay, I will repeat the same one for input second and for result. Run. Now I set an empty quotation, meaning nothing should be displayed empty. In programming, each text should be written in between quotation. So if we're having an empty quotation, it means nothing will be displayed. Okay, 1, we're gonna make it 15. I need a bigger number in first number, so when I subtract, I will not get a negative value. So 15, 5, addition, clear. Now they are cleared. Make sure, if after finishing all the codes, to copy the link here, copy, and paste the link to Classera assignment. Okay? Thank you so much and good luck. Bye.